The audio brand from Canada, PSB, they've just launched their latest on-wall speaker. The new model we are looking at is the PSB PWM on-wall speakers. They've also launched a new subwoofer, the BP7 Subwoofer. These are two products from this Canadian brand. They have the build quality that will suggest that you will get value for your money. Obviously, they are not like a super high-end brand, so when I get to the price tag, you'll know that it's a little bit affordable compared to other speaker brands. Now, the PWM is more or less a sat on wall speaker, so you can actually mount it on the wall conveniently and it will not block any space. It's designed to deliver PSB's signature true to nature sound in a compact form factor. This is how the brand have said this model is going to perform like. Now, the PWM it's in a very small form factor. It's not too big. The other thing again is the fact that you can actually use this in your living room because it will match your decorum of your decor of your living room. It will look elegant as well. It doesn't have this kind of like intrusive look to it, so it's very cool to look at when you are at least in the living room, more or less. This is very perfect. Now, the PWM speaker, what it does now is that it comes with a 1-inch titanium dome tweeter. There is a 4-inch woven carbon fiber woofer. The clarity and tonality of this model is balanced across the frequency range. Low frequency is still there, but it's not the dominating part of this model. It does come with 2 pieces locking bracket system. It will enable secure mounting in horizontal, vertical, or even in your ceiling. If you don't even want to hang it on the wall, it will allow you to hang it on the ceiling. And you can now use it as high channels. You can use it for your Dolby Atmos, home theater, or even a much more bigger system. If you want a 7.4.6 system, this can do that for you. Now, the one thing again with the PSB on wall is that it's more or less made in Canada. At least they say that it's made in house. And if you buy it and you're not satisfied with the little base it's providing you, you can get the company's new BP7 powered subwoofer. It's a sealed subwoofer. It has high impact output. It's very powerful. It does have a dual 6.5-inch woven carbon fiber driver. It's really good, and it's just that is the output. It comes with a 350 watt Class D amplifier. It does have a symmetrical layout that minimizes cabinet vibration and distortion. The energy this thing delivers is quite accurate and articulate. The low frequency is clean without any muddiness or boominess or even pot noise you get from ported subwoofers. You're not going to get that with this model. The sealed cabinet eliminates port noise. That's one thing the company says. This model comes in either satin black or satin white finish with a polished aluminum that makes it look as elegant as it can be for any client who wants to buy it literally. So both of these models are available for pre-order. If you want to buy it in the UK, it is £750 for the PWM on-wall speaker. You can also buy it for €850 in other European markets. If you want the BP7 subwoofer, it's going to be priced at £900 in the UK and around 1,000 or €999 in other markets. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. Share your thoughts down below. Make sure you're subscribed. Do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.